What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Snappy from Toy Story 5. We'll begin today's lesson in the center of the page. You want to draw a large circle for the lens. So let's start at the very top in the middle. We're going to start with the left side, going out, curve this around, and then in toward the middle. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the right side, going out, all the way around, and then back in. Let's trace this circle along the inside. So from the top, we're going to step down. Just try to leave an even space gap all the way around. Let's go to the center and draw another circle, just a small one for the pupil. And we'll fill that center circle in black. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. Let's go to the side of our circle and draw a straight angled line going up and then in toward the top. Line this up on the right and do the exact same thing, coming up towards the same height. Now I want to connect these two lines with a curve going up the middle and then back down. Let's add that detail in the center. So we're going to start with another curve right in the center. And then from the left side, bend this up and in toward the center point. Round at that point, come down towards the right. Now we're going to move down along the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going out towards the left and right side. Let's round out the corners. And we're going to pull that straight down towards the bottom to right about there. And then do the exact same thing on the right. We want to come down toward the same height. Now let's round out the bottom corner, come straight across the bottom, and round out the bottom right corner. Let's go to the top left side. We're going to draw a curve for the button, going up and then down. And then over on the right side, we're going to add a dial. So start with two lines going up, flatten off the top, and then inside, we're going to draw two lines. On the side of the body, we're going to add those grips. So let's start up here, draw a straight line coming in, draw that same length line on the right. Now I want to come straight down about halfway. And then we're going to angle this down and then out towards the bottom. Over on the right side, let's add a circle and fill that in black. Then we move all the way over to the left side. Let's draw a square coming in and then across the bottom. Let's split the square in half with a straight line. And add one circle on the left, add one circle on the right, and fill that in black. Now with the body in place, let's draw on the legs. Just underneath the center, we're going to draw a straight line going across. From the ends, bend this up and then in. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to curve the body, coming down and in, leaving a gap in the center. And we'll close this off with a curve, going up and then down with a half circle. From these 2 points, we're going to come straight down the leg on the left and right side. And then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back up, add a curve, going up and then down. Now I want to add one more leg on either side, so we start up here, angle this down and out toward the left and right. Round out the bottom and pull that up towards the side. Now I'm going to follow that same angle line going up and then in towards the body. Now we're going to do exactly what we did in the center. We're going to separate the bottom with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Snappy from Toy Story 5. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next one.